Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. I'm all set, all packed, ready to go. It's Tuesday morning, 7:30 maybe, like 7:30, quarter to 8 maybe. And I'm flying out of here. I want to show you what I have going on, everything I brought in the van, and just want to show you how much space I still have with what I bring, because I don't bring much. All right, let's check it out. Okie doke, so on this side I have all my shoes. Like to keep everything that might be a little bit messy on this side. These are my wetsuit pants. I brought 2 pair because I like to rock hunt in the water in Lake Superior, but it is kind of chilly up there and it's going to be in the 60s, but the water is always cold and I hate freezing, so those are very, very helpful. What else? You see I have my window covers in there. All my snacks, my coffee, my water, my nuts, my Aloha bars. Got a protein drink over there. Got my tripods here in case I want to make some videos when I'm up there. But you know, honestly, my channel doesn't do well with the camping itself. Basically, people just love the setups. So I might not, I don't know. Anyhow, my food bag is here. These are my protein drinks, my LaCroix. You saw that in the previous video. That's my kitchen box with everything. Like I have an MSR stove in there in case you didn't see that video. Some propanes. I got a couple more little propane guys up here, and my fire extinguisher, my laundry pins, or what do you call it, my clothesline pins with my line in case I want to hang dry my towel or my clothes, whatever. I'll have to put this little stool down, but this is my workspace back here, and I'm going to be editing some videos, among other things, on the road this time. It's my visor. Oh yes, up here. Okay, so I got this idea from my son. He's the best. He seatbelts everything in that he's transporting, so nothing flies around his car. Yeah, so I seatbelted my computer in here. These are my jackets. I use this seat as a coat rack. This is a rain jacket. This is my little beach blanket, so I don't have to come back and I don't have to bring a chair. It has a little strap on it, folds up into a bag, and I can just set my stuff on it and go walking up and down the beach and then come back and have a snack, whatever, and then go back out. My waters, I'm bringing my wood here. This wood is from Petoskey State Park. I bought it there, but I took it when I left because what the heck, I didn't end up using it, and that's for another story. That actually is a good story to tell. It's a sad one, but I'm gonna one day maybe make a video about that. My tools, you saw all that over there. My refrigerator here is full, ready to go. Let me see if I can hold this up. Just got everything in here that I want. Yogurt, LaCroix, coffee cream, vegetables, V8 juice. Yeah, that's what I got. Oh, meat sticks. Underneath here, my clothes fully packed in my trunk organizer. Up here I just have my vitamins and things. I have a spray bottle in here for my hair because it goes crazy. And that's my Jackery 1000, which is not at the moment plugged into this refrigerator because I'm going to be stealth camping on the way up there. So I have the refrigerator right now plugged into the van. And when I get to my sneaky spot where I'm stealth camping, I'll unplug it from the van and plug it in to this power supply overnight. And I'll use my So Cozy window covers to make sure no one knows I'm in the van. Those things are thebomb.com. Check them out. I actually have those in right there, and this guy over here in. Oh, there's Glory. Isn't she the cutest? Underneath here, my chair, my hygiene bag. That's my toilet with the green letters on it. Trailblaze, it's called. But the bag doesn't go with the toilet. I just hijacked it from my husband to put the toilet in. The red bag over there is the medium. That is rabbit pellets, and those go in the toilet and they absorb all kinds of liquid. You know, I don't go number 2 in the van. Everybody kind of knows that. I know that's kind of weird to talk about, but I don't. My hat, of course, for when it's raining out, and my bed, my Coleman ComfortSmart bed. I'm gonna put that little chair down because that's too light to be traveling around with, and I'll flatten it out and put it under the bed. But that's it. This is my setup, and as you can see, I have a ton of space. Like I honestly do not need much when I travel at all. And everything, that's the thing. If you allot yourself space for the things that you want to bring and then only use that space, then then you don't have clutter everywhere else. Like this, for instance, this hygiene bag right here, that's it. I don't bring anything that can't fit in there, so it's a constant switching around depending on where I'm going. I'm not bringing another bag of hygiene stuff. It all has to fit in there. So that is how that works. Everything has to fit in here, all my clothes. So that's how I stay organized, is I allot spaces and things for storage, and I stick to it. And this up here, specifically for certain things that I store, I don't need them all the time. I don't need them in my way, and obviously I don't hang out up here, so this is a perfect place to store that stuff. But anyhow, that's it. I hope everyone's having a great morning. Maybe I'll make a video on the road, I don't know. But that's all I got. I'm heading to Lake Superior to do some rock hunting. Most likely will not see Josh and Jace, but you never know. That would be fun, wouldn't it? All right, guys, you have a fantastic day. I will catch you later. Until next time.